And just like that, your National Trust card is now added to your Apple Wallet and ready to use whenever you need it. Once the card appears inside Wallet, you can quickly access it without carrying the physical card. To make this work, you'll need a third-party digital wallet app. Open the App Store on your iPhone and search for Card Manager, Digital Wallet. Download and install the app, then open it once installation is complete. Inside the app, you'll see four options: gift, loyalty, membership, and all. Tap on all, then press Add Card. Next, select Store Card and search for National Trust. Tap on it, then choose how you want to add your card. You can either scan your National Trust card using the front camera or enter the card details manually. After entering the details, tap Save. Once the card is saved, you'll see an option to Add to Apple Wallet. Tap on it, and your National Trust card will be successfully added to Apple Wallet. Hello, guys. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we showed you how to add your National Trust card to Apple Wallet using a simple workaround. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more easy iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.